Ten Rabbanan, our rabbis teach us, Damim lo ben b'chol ben b'Shabbos. When the pasuk says Damim lo, it applies to weekday and Shabbos. Ain Damim lo, when the pasuk says that his blood has no value and you're allowed to kill him, ben b'chol ben b'Shabbos. That applies equally to weekday and to Shabbos. Now the Gemara continues and says, Bishloma, it makes sense, it's good when the Torah says, Ein lo damim ben b'chol ben b'Shabbos, that his blood has no value and it applies equally to the weekday and to Shabbos. Itzdrach, we need this teaching of the Chumash, of the Torah. Why? Because you might think, we might make a false assumption that midei dahav haruge bezdin, that when we kill the thief because his blood has no value, we are like bezdin, we are like the court and implementing the law. The b'Shabbos lo kat linan, and on Shabbos bezdin does not kill. So you might think that if a thief who comes into your house, whose blood has no value, you would say, well, I'm not allowed to kill him because it's Shabbos. Bezdin is closed on Shabbos. I'm not allowed to kill him on Shabbos. Kamash Malan, the Torah teaches us, Ein lo damim applies to Shabbos as well. Kat linan, and you may kill him, even on Shabbos. But the Gemara questions, Ella, however, domim lo ben b'chol ben b'Shabbos, that his blood has value. I'm not allowed to kill the person, whether it's the weekday or Shabbos. Hashta b'chol lo kat linan le, if on the weekday I'm not allowed to kill him, b'Shabbos mi boy, why do you have to tell me that on Shabbos I'm not allowed to kill him? If I can't kill him on the weekday, I certainly can't kill him on Shabbos. Why is the Torah teaching me something that seems so obvious already? Rav Sheshes comes and tells us the reason the Torah tells us that his blood has value, ben b'chol, ben b'Shabbos, that even on Shabbos his blood has value. Lo nitzricha, we do not need this teaching, elert, only to teach us, lepokeach alav es hagal, that if the tunnel collapses on the thief, you're not even sure that he is alive, you're allowed to be Machal Shabbos and dig him out of the tunnel to possibly save his life. So the Chiddush, the teaching of the Torah teaches us, Ben Bechol, Ben B'Shabbos, even on Shabbos, if his blood has value, even though he's a thief, even though you're not sure he's alive, you're allowed to retrieve him and save him from a collapsed tunnel on Shabbos.